Hey guys, welcome to the 2020 Stock Club. We're going to talk about dividends today, specifically the math. How do you do the math to figure out what your yield is on your dividends? You can do it yourself, and all you need is a calculator. All right? As a visual aid, we're going to use this spreadsheet. You do not need it. You can do it with calculator, as I said. Let me pose this to you. Bank 1, 2, and 3. If you had to choose one of these three banks to deposit your money in, which one would you choose? They're all going to give you $5 at the end of the year, but you need to deposit different amounts, either 90, 100, and 110. Which one would you choose if you had to choose one? Well, let's find out. You're going to divide, as I said, the small number into the large number, and it will give you which is the best yield. And your answer is right here, 5.56. Yield, guys, look at it as interest rate. It's almost the same thing. So you're going to choose the one with the best yield. All right, let's use one more banking example. Bank 4 or Bank 5, which would you choose? Ready? All right, let's do the same thing, same exercise. Divide the dividend into the price that you had to deposit, and your answer is 5%, 5%. There is no difference. Now let's apply this to the stock market. Here we have 6 companies. These are real companies and real numbers. I pull these as of the close of last business day. Now, before we go any further, look at the top right of your screen. Answer that. Click on that and answer that. It's a poll, and it will take you just 2 seconds to do. I would appreciate it. All right. So what's the best deal here? So here you have dividends in order of smallest to largest. So is the smallest one the worst and the largest one the best? Well, just like with the bank, you got to know what you need to deposit. This is the price of the stock. So they're all over the place. So again, the equation is you got to know both sides, the dividend and the price. So let's do it. Let's see if you can tell me the best two and the worst two. All right? What's the best 2 dividends and what's the worst 2 dividends? All right. Survey says, here you go. I'm going to highlight the best 3 because these two are so close. And I'm going to highlight the worst dividend. All right, let's talk about this real quick. So although 0.68 is the worst dividend, it wasn't the worst in this column. Because if you would have focused on the dividend only, you didn't notice that the price of the stock is $237. So you got to dish out a lot of money just to get $1.60 back. All right, this is why yield is more important than the actual dividend. Thanks, guys. I hope you answered that poll on the top right. Click to subscribe on the right-hand side, or if you want to see another video, click on the left-hand side.